Figured I've been up and trading, goofing around with somebody, so figured I'd just got done, so I figured I'd make a video. Um, Gotten short over here. Um, got stopped out a couple times. I'm only up. Crap. Let's see. $900. Hadn't been a perfect morning by no means. Um, it's trying to build to the upside, but the 987 is pretty weak. If it can get below this band and close below, we'll finally get the 1597 to kick in, and we can get a deeper retracement here. We made it to the 38, didn't quite make it to the 50. Be an option expiration day. It could be that they hold it and actually go run it to 1180, which is doable, I guess. So we'll see how it pans out. I just wanted to get a little quick video. I think I've answered everybody's questions, sent out emails, replied to most, I think, everybody so far. If I missed you, resend it. Get probably lost in my thousands of emails. Me and the wife stayed out a little too late last night, but we had a lot of fun. Had a little meeting with the gentleman today. It went well. So we'll still hanging on to this thing. Was shorting into this move up, but I didn't short up into here. But my average price is where you see it. I had 30 contracts. I sold in here when it couldn't break down. 74.2, 74.1 is a level that I'm watching, and it needs to get through and break down. But being Friday, it might not. It might be just some sideways action for a little while. But still trying to see what we're going to do on the 987. So I'll be back here shortly and go from there. My stop is at the high. When we get up there, I'll figure it out. Looks like the 4181's pushing pretty hard. We do have divergences, negative divergence on the 4181 and on the 6765. That could take a while to kick in. So do they want to make another high? Build the left shoulder head, bigger head and shoulders pattern instead of this little left shoulder head. As you see, we're having trouble with the top of the left shoulder right now. So I'll pause it and come back. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I was short 5. I added 10 more in this area. Still having trouble. Can't get through. Of course, the reaction is going to be down. We've got a 1 bar, 2 bar. See if we get a 3 bar slide here. Let some of this weakness in the 987 work its way out. On market, and we'll be back. Well, this thing is just absolutely being a pain in the butt right now.
Order filled.
Jeez. 4 ticks above the high. 1.5 stop. That's where we're at. We've got weakness coming in on the higher time frames. I mean, you see that we're starting to get some separation, so a little retracement's not unheard of. So I will be back here shortly. I hope the sound's good enough today. I don't use a headset. I use a mic. So I did have somebody So I need to turn stuff up. Hopefully this is loud enough. We can go from there. Line this thing steadily.
Order filled.
Add into here.
Order filled.
I'm looking at was it 78 half? Alright, I'll be back here shortly. Alright guys, I started adding up into this area. This thing is just wanting to hang in there. The weakness is just not following through right now. So gonna want to go a little bit higher. I'm giving it more wiggle room than I really want to, but trying to interpret that if this is that last little push. The 610's got a nice bulge underneath, which has me a little concerned that we could get into the 79 half, 79 area, but I am seeing weakness on the 987, the 1597. The 4181 is just, it's being a boss. It's just riding the rail straight up. So there is pressure on the higher time frames of higher prices, but I am expecting a retracement here in the near future. So pause it, come back. Alright guys, still back. We're still trying to see if this weakness I'm seeing, the pressure to the downside, starts panning out. This is last update, so it's 10:30 my time. Promised the wife we'd get out of here, so we'll see if it falls into place here, or they just keep holding this thing up longer and longer and longer. Let's see when it comes down into this area, and then then we can figure out what we want to do. There is weakness, there is pressure to the downside, but they are holding it. They're holding it up pretty well, to be honest with you. So we'll be back here shortly. Give it a little bit longer to see if it can kick in, and then we can go from there. All right, guys, I'm back.
Order cancel. Order pending. Order pending. Order pending. Order canceled.
Start taking some off the table, limit some risk. The pressure's starting to kind of unleash here.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
All right. Ah, come on. Looking 47.
Order pending.
See, 987 it started to release. 1597 starting to release down. We'll see how far we get. Finally broke the channel here. Come on. It's been really slow today.
Order canceled.
Let's see, 2-tick stop. Trying to give it just a little bit longer. Want to see how these two close here, 987 and the 1597. See if the back test is a failure or not. If that's the case, we should hit this target. Well, I hope everybody's got good weekend plans. I think wife and I said, well, we're gonna go get breakfast, but I guess we'll go get brunch or lunch, and then guess go get our Thanksgiving food ready for next week. I hate going to the grocery store. Is not something I like to do. Grocery stores, Walmart. I couldn't tell you the last time I've been to a Walmart, but I hate not a fan of all that. Steadily pushing. We were coming into the zero line. Trying to work its way down. 610. Just 1597. So I'm trying to pay attention to. We got 57 ticks, 69 ticks, 269, 256. Price has been working real slow today. I hadn't checked the volume. Yeah, you only right under 48,000 contracts traded TF today. You ain't even hit 800,000 on the ES yet.
Order pending. Order pending.
Well, I thought this thing would come down and get us. Did print a nice little BB down. Still waiting on the 987. Starting to run out of patience, to be honest with you. I know I've got to get out of here. I still need to take a shower. She's gonna kill me. Let's see if we can break these lows this time. Yeah, it's taking forever to get through 260 ticks. Alright, I've had enough. Enough crap. It needs to get below here. 1597 was. It's still. There we go. One more tick. 74, 74.3, 74.2 was really the first target. There we go. Plus 2 ticks on the stop. Now we'll see if we can let's see, 70.
Order canceled. Order pending.
Let's see if we can come down and get the 72. I'll get the get this marked. We'll be back later. Alright guys, about to get up and walk around a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and cover.
Order canceled.
Partial here, and let's check the retracement. Right at the 61 on one of them, so 2 points, 2 tick stop, plus 2, go from there. I'll be back later on. It's 11:04, might be 10, 20 minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. Looks like the 73 is where I should have kept that other part, but volume is really light.
Order canceled.
Let's see, 71, 9,
Order
8.
pending.
Get this out of the way. You see the pressure finally it finally started releasing. I mean, they held it for just absolutely forever.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take one there. And we'll see if there's still enough pressure built up to get it down to that 72 area I'm looking for. Sorry, I wasn't supposed to be at the computer this long. Wife made us a little snack. We didn't eat breakfast.
Order filled.
Take another one there. We're getting into the area that we should start seeing something, but I'll just leave it there. I'll mark the stop for you. I'll be back here shortly. Alright guys, price is slowing down here.
Order
I'm
pending.
gonna try to cover one more here.
Order filled.
There we go. And see if we can break down the bottom here. So I'll be back. Stops are in place. We'll see if we can break down here now. Alright guys, got back. It looks like covered one in a great place, it looks like. Came back up, double test, nice little flag, nice little foot curling underneath. the volume's just so light today that
Stop. Order
there
canceled.
we go. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for me today. I've got to get ready and get out of here. Let's see. 93, 5.69 profit factor. I didn't take any long trades today. I did have that one $2,000. I think I had 2 stops hit. Everybody have a great day, and everybody have a great weekend. Be safe. Enjoy some football. Enjoy some friends, and I'll talk to y'all next week.